before everything, you should disconnect the clutch cable. Not disconnect, just loosen. Loosen this while holding this. 12 millimeter, 13 millimeter. Really easy. Then you take off this section from this area here. And then you can take off the case. Alright, with the bolts removed, we're going to try to now move this thing off. You might have to hit it because it is a wet gasket, meaning a silicone gasket. This is what the inside of a Rebel looks like. This is what that looks like. This thing seems to have fallen off. It goes right here. You have a good view. The oil screen is here. This needs to come off. So you have these two bolts, which we're going to get off and then restart this. It's a beautiful, beautiful view of the inside of your Honda Rebel. Here we're taking this off. Here's the bolt. And off it comes. It comes with all these things that you see here. There's a middle part. We're going to put this aside for now. Our next plan, not so easy, not easy at all actually, is to take these three off. I've already loosened this one. The other two are going to be a challenge because we're going to need to use an impact tool. This is an impact tool. You're going to put it in here and strike it with a hammer.